Okay, I found another touchstone.
Oh no.
Jackie babysitting for me. Bro, I'm about to die for for the first. Oh, what happened to the bird? The bird is gone.
What?
Did someone take the bird?
Someone cooked the bird? Imagine cooking a pet.
Oh my god, dude.
Like, I think this game will bring things out of us that we did not expect.
Oh my god. I need to make another
fire.
bird trap. Zabu ate the bird.
What?
You ate the bird, bro. Just admit it. Freaking man up and admit it.
Okay, I did. You're right. I accidentally took the bird out of the bird trap, didn't know how to put it back in, so I just ended up cooking it.
That's what usually happens, yeah. It's...
I'm just surprised someone noticed. I didn't know you.
Because that's literally the most important party member. It's literally more important than you.
Me. Alright. I'll show myself out then. How the heck did you know I ate the bird though?
Because the bird is no longer in the cage. Don't take the seeds. Don't take the bird. Just go away. Just die.
Alright.
Just die.
Okay.